how to contact booking.com customer care. So first of all, log in with your account. I prefer you log in with your account on on Booking. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just click the three bars at the top right. From there, you're gonna be able to see help and support and click contact customer service. And from there, you're gonna be able to send a message or call them, right? And I'm gonna just continue with our account just to demonstrate. And after you sign in with your account, you're gonna be able to enter your confirmation number and then enter the PIN. And if you need to talk to someone, just go ahead. You're gonna see, instead of sign in button, you're gonna be able to see a customer care, contact customer care, something like that, and it's gonna direct you to the message blank. You're gonna be able to write the complaint that you want to write, or you can just call them by their phone number, and basically you'll be able to contact them in no time. Let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.